Take a teaspoon of organic apple cider vinegar in a glass of water just before going to bed. Here are 8 health benefits you can get from apple cider vinegar if you drink it before bedtime. Number 1. Ease digestive issues. If you wake up every morning with abdominal pain, digestive issues could be the culprit. Before clinging to the short-term relief of over-the-counter prescriptions, you might want to give this holistic remedy a fair shot. Apple cider vinegar can relieve digestive ailments like irritable bowel syndrome and heartburn. Take a teaspoon before bed with water. Number 2. Prevent bad breath in the morning. Apple cider vinegar kills bacteria like no other. So 1 teaspoon of the stuff before bed will not only ensure healthy oral hygiene, it's also a guarantee your partner or roommate won't get a whiff of the undead emerging from your mouth in the AM. Number 3. Stops hiccups. The sour taste of apple cider vinegar overstimulates the nerves in your throat that cause hiccups. This causes the nerves to forget about the need to hiccup. For this, you'll need to drink 1 undiluted teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Number 4. Treats sore throat. This vinegar will create an acidic environment where the bacteria that causes sore throat cannot thrive. It will provide other potent antibacterial qualities for the body. 1 hour before sleep, drink 1 teaspoon of it, and after 30 minutes, drink another teaspoon just before you fall asleep. Number 5. Decongest a stuffy nose. Apple cider vinegar is rich in essentials needed to eliminate mucus buildup, such as potassium, magnesium, vitamins A, B1, B2, and E. If you feel a cold coming on, you're going to want to add a teaspoon of ACV to a cup of water and drink it before bed to nip that crap in the bud. Number 6. Lower blood sugar. Apple cider vinegar lowers blood sugar levels because it increases insulin sensitivity. If you aren't already on blood sugar medicine, try taking 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar right before bed each evening and see if you don't have a more restful night. If you're taking prescription medication for diabetes, please speak with your doctor before using this natural remedy. Number 7. May boost skin health. Apple cider vinegar contains alpha-hydroxy acids, including lactic and malic acids. These acids have been used extensively in skincare. Lactic acid improves skin hydration. It also gently exfoliates skin, improves skin texture, and helps reduce fine lines by boosting cell renewal. ACV has antimicrobial activity. It may help in treating acne-prone skin. Number 8. May aid weight loss. Perhaps surprisingly, studies show that vinegar could help people lose weight. Several human studies show that vinegar can increase feelings of fullness. This can lead you to eat fewer calories and lose weight. Overall, apple cider vinegar may contribute to weight loss by promoting satiety, lowering blood sugar, and reducing insulin levels. Like any vinegar, regularly drinking apple cider vinegar may damage your tooth enamel. To prevent this, always rinse your mouth after drinking an acidic beverage.